Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach y'all how to share YouTube videos. Okay, so just you can pick any YouTube video that it'll let you share. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose 10th Avenue North, greater than all my regrets. It's in my recommended, so I'm gonna mute that. Okay. And once you're this is on desktop. I will do mobile version later. But down here, right by the title and the view count, click share. And these are where you want to share to. So see, I don't have a lot of these. I only have Facebook and Twitter. But yeah. So I'm going to share a link to Facebook. I'm going to click the Facebook button. Post to Facebook, okay? And I'm going to say something about it, okay? So this is a song for you, a Christian song for you, okay? And I'm going to make private, only me, post to Facebook, okay? And I'm also going to share it on Twitter because why not? Okay, and then you can say something, but I'm not going to say anything about it. Okay, so I'm not going to put the at YouTube thingy. I'm not to. Okay, so I'm going to tweet it. There we go. See, now it has been posted. So that is how you share YouTube videos on social media. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.